I'm back, guys, and I bought something else from Snap-on. He gave me a good deal on this one also. This is the cordless impact wrench. It has a battery that's 14 volts. And we're gonna unbox this together. I just got this. I had one of this before. This is the best tool you can have. This does everything under the hood. Any 10mm bolts, 11, 12, 13, this will knock it out for you. Valve cover gaskets, and sometimes we spin out the spark plugs with this too. We lose it up and then bam, it comes right out. So this is the tool. It's a lifesaver. I had one of this, but it broke, and then we got it fixed, and then after that we lost it because we moved from one location to another location, and we struggled for a few weeks, but deal came across and I bought another one. This one didn't come with the charger, so it's just the drill and the battery. I still have the charger from the old one, so the guy said it will work, so he gave me a good discount. And we're gonna open this together. It comes with a little manual, which I'm never gonna read. I never read before. That last one I didn't read, so that goes in there. I'm gonna save it though anyway. And this is the drill. It's a strong drill. I usually take it home and use it at home. It has a good handle too. It's light. It comes with one battery. You can get a different package. One with the come with a pouch. It'll come with the charger and 2 batteries. But this comes with 1 battery, so clicks right in. It's not probably charged, but I am gonna charge it for a couple of hours. And there's a way you could charge lithium batteries. The first time you have to give it a full charge. Lasts you longer and it stays stronger. So this one has button. Yes, you can see it has the arrows there. Reverse, forward. So tighten, loosen. And it also has a light in the front. So if you're working on something, you can point. You have to press it lightly, and the light comes on. And the best thing about this is, if you press it softly, it will move in a slow motion. The harder you press, the more power and torque you will get out of this. So you can do it light, faster. As you press more deeper, it will get faster, okay? And you could adapt any sockets you like on this. And this is a good thing to have, and we're gonna put this to use. You're gonna see this in a lot of my videos. If you're doing valve cover gasket, it's gonna be there. Anything under the hood that's 10mm, we're gonna take it out this 10, 11, 12, 13, 14s. Sometimes even if it's like a bigger bolt, like 15, as long as they're loose, this will bring it out for you, and it is good. And that's it, guys. Now you got first view of up close and personal of this drill, Snap-on. And I think everybody should have this. If you have a mechanic shop, you should have this. If you like to have tools in your garage, you should have this. I'm gonna be taking this in my backyard over the summer. I'm gonna do small little projects on my car, on the Camaro. You're gonna see my Camaro all over these videos. I'm gonna do a lot to it. And if you guys have a Camaro out there, you need something done and you wanna know how to get it done, I will show you guys. You guys can email me and I will answer my email myself, okay? Thank you guys for watching, and I want you guys to subscribe me, and we're gonna bring out good videos to you guys.